Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, I am going to show you a detailed tutorial on how to finish a neckline using a bias tape. So if you want to see how, keep on watching! So the first thing I will do is sew the shoulder seams and the side seams. Here I'm just using my serger. Right after that, I am going to sew a stay stitch on the neckline. So I'm going to be stitching 1/4 inch away from the raw edge. So I'm just going to sew it all the way around. So I'm going to place the bias tape like right below the stay stitch, and I'm going to open up the bias tape and I'm going to sew on the crease of the bias tape. I'm just going to pin it from here all the way to the other end. And then I am going to sew it all the way down to the other end. And then I am going to make some small cuts just to release the tension on the curve. So I'm just going to do this on the back neck, because the front neck is a V shape, so that's why I don't have to do it. But obviously if your neckline has a curve on the front, you will have to grade it as well. Next, I am going to understitch it right here. So I am stitching it like as close to the bias tape as possible. Make sure that the raw edges are pointing towards the bias tape. If you have a fabric that is sticking out longer than the bias tape, you have to trim it off because it will not look neat later on when you finish the neckline. I'm going to fold the bias tape towards the wrong side of the fabric, and I'm just going to pin it to secure. And then I am going to top stitch it to finish the neckline. And this is the final result. As you can see, it looks so nice and it looks really neat. I will be doing a how to finish an armhole using a bias tape as well. I mean, basically the process is pretty much the same, but I know a lot of you are gonna want to see it. So I will film that right away. So it will be ready in a few days. If you want to see the complete tutorial of this wrap dress, I'm going to have the link up here or at the end screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning. I will see you in my next video. Bye!